Buongiorno a tutti, good morning ragazzi. Mariano qua here cooking, and today I want to make I say risotto, I make a lot of time, but not the same. I never make a risotto with Radicchio Trevisano, okay? I never make it before, so they said that it turned out very good. And I use it couple each, mild and hot, okay? That's from Capital Fine Meat. I use a radicchio because I never did before. And I don't want to make a risotto with saffron. I did before. I want to try to make with this because they said it's very, very good, okay? I'm going to look little bit, no black, dark, kind of reddish. It take a color from the radicchio, right? Okay? We started here, something here. We started with a little bit of oil because you need oil to cook the vegetable. I want to start with a little bit red onion and a little bit green, okay? Okay. I take it off because quite a bit of rice there. Okay. Now green, red onion. Okay. That's going there. Little bit green onion. Not that much, but a little bit. Okay. A little bit more. Vegetable give a good flavor to the rice. And a little bit garlic, but the garlic I don't put it right now. Not too much, just to give it. Too much garlic is no good. Garlic it cooks really fast, eh? So you have to wait and don't let it cook the rest of first. And a little bit parsley, not much. That's from my garden, but pretty soon it's going to go. I put this here with the garlic. I put it a little bit later, okay? Okay, now I gotta fry this a little bit. Till they do that, I prepare a radicchio, okay? See? Radicchio, that's from my own garden, but pretty soon I said this last, I have to take everything out because, hey, it's starting freezing already, eh? See? Beautiful radicchio, look. I want to cut one like this, you see? We chop it really fine. See? The radicchio I show you here now, they call it Treviso, the long one. You can use any other radicchio. A long, it's nice and colorful. Like, see, I got one here, look, see? Nice color, you see? You can use it just about any, as long as they got color. See, that's the last one I got from the garden, no more. Forget it for this year, okay? So you don't have necessary to be Treviso or radicchio. Any radicchio is good as long as it's red. Okay. See, stuff started to come now. Now I had the rest here, the garlic and parsley, okay? Okay, give it a bit of extra flavor. Okay, there you go. Now throw radicchio now. I'm gonna cook all together, see? There, see? Oh, good. Oh yeah. The garlic, onion, parsley, and radicchio. That's the broth. I need the broth. See, I got broth with chicken and beef in there.
So why do you do this first?
Well, because if you had broth after, it look like soup. You have to cook it with the oil and I put a drop of butter. Just not much, just about a tablespoon of butter because it's a lot of rice stuff in there, eh? Everybody thinks it's too fat these days, eh? Yeah, nothing's too fast. Eat good, forget about it. Okay, we can all taste after for salt, pepper, you know. Oh, that's quite a bit of rice. That rice, it grows at least 3 times or more than what you put in there raw. Rice is very important. I buy rice only for risotto, eh? For soup, I don't care. Risotto has to be from Italy, okay? Arborio, or there's a lot of different, it has to be a very hard rice, okay? And last it takes a long time to cook. I don't see any other country they got hard rice like Italy, okay? It doesn't look now, but wait after. And they cook, change the color. And then I had something to give it more color. Extra color, see? There's better wine. Yeah. Okay. Now I wait the wine evaporate, okay? I want only the flavor, not the wine. See? The wine all gone already. You see that? No? Now you have to put it down a little bit, not too much heat. About that. And you have to start having a little bit broth. A little bit at a time. See? Yeah, there. After we taste for salt, because I got salt in the broth, eh? Oh, at the meantime here, I want to cook a couple of sausages here, okay? Because this is already, we can put in the end, when the risotto is about cook. I cook two of those. I put one hot, why not? Give a little bit of kick, they say. Okay, yeah. Oh, it's gonna turn out very good dishes, I tell you what do you call it, a risotto. You have to stay close when you make a risotto. You have to stay close. Oh, it's coming. Sausage looking good, look at that. Oh, good sausage, boy. Oh, in Italy, the risotto like this, you make only a couple of times a year. I make a risotto with saffron, a risotto with meat, a risotto with chicken liver or stuff. In Italy, it's all different. Europe is different than here. Yeah, it's picante, but no, it's hot, but no, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Let's see how it looks like. Oh yeah, look good. If I need more, I want to stir first so we see, eh? I don't want to overdo, but give it a good flavor. Very good. Another 5 minutes. Be ready. You know what I do? I only do that because I love this stuff here. Just a little pinch Vegeta, just so very, see? Oh. Yeah. Okay, that's enough. I guarantee you. Here, smell already, both the paper's nice. Okay, we can take it out. It's ready. That's a nice risotto. Oh yeah. Can't eat it. Italians never eat it. Look at the color. It's beautiful. See? There's Parmigiano-Reggiano. Like I say, I mix in my cheese. I buy a little bit Parmigiano, a little bit Reggiano, a little bit Pecorino. Smell like $1 million. Yeah. There. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, you guys. That's my risotto for today. That's the boss here.
Hi, Mariano.
She's the one to decide if this is good or not.
Yes.
I know it's good, but
yeah.
Okay. Here's some. You try. Okay. Good. Me, I eat late today.
Okay,
So you to try. You need a glass?
Oh yes.
Glass to drink? Hey. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Okay. I got it for you. Now try. See what you tell me. I know it's good, but I want you to hear from you. Different, huh? Yeah, don't know, very good. Yeah, the sausage make a lot of difference too. And a little picante from the sausage. Not really hot, but just, Paula?
Good, very good.
Okay, that's what I want to hear.
Oh, yeah.
You wait and out after, my friend, when you eat it. Very good, very good.
Very good, yeah. Yeah, very good.
You know, Nonna, sometimes I can't tell if you like it or not sometimes.
No.
Why?
I don't know, I just can't tell.
It's very good.
You wait once you finish another dish and then you say, yes,
You
you
know
like
what?
it.
Trust me, because I finished already.
Take a baby shimmy.
Huh?
Salute. Salute, you guys.
No, wait.
salute you guys, and try that. Well, the radicchio, it's not easy to find it. You can find it in the big store. But you can use the other radicchio. You don't have to be yesterday they call it palla rossa. So I still radicchio. But usually they use this. Okay, you guys, salute. Try. If you don't find it, longer radicchio, use the raw, as long as the red, because it has to give a nice little color to the rice, okay?
Okay.
And don't forget a drop of red wine in the beginning, before to put a broth, okay? Salute again, ragazzi. That's it for today. Mariano said thank you to everybody who watched the video. Yeah. Oh, sole mio.